front part of the rotation motor. You can see there are about two bearings that are there. That is a bearing, and there supposed to be another bearing. Then this is a seal. This is a seal. Then you can see there is the water here. This is what is there. See what we need. This is supposed to be here. Then we put it inside there. Put it there, and we start arranging these pieces. Okay. Okay. There. They are missing. About two are missing. Then this comes this. Then comes this part. Now it's supposed to be this part. And comes this part. This is the whole arrangement of the motor. This is how we assemble the motor. So the first thing that we need to consider when assembling the motor is you have to mark a line here. Then we take this off. Then we take the second piece off. This part is supposed to be off. Then there is this hole that we ensure that it is there. Then we take this off. This is a lining hole.